In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove reflections from glasses in Lightroom Classic. If you've ever captured a great portrait only to find distracting glare on the lenses, this walkthrough will show you how to clean it up quickly and keep the eyes looking natural. We'll work entirely in Lightroom Classic, so everything stays non-destructive and easy to revise. Start by opening your image in the Develop module. If you're in Library, just press D to switch over. It helps to zoom in on the eyes so you can clearly see the reflections you want to reduce. You can pan around with the spacebar or use the navigator panel to focus on the glasses area. On the right panel, look for the Remove section, then choose Distraction Removal. This is where Lightroom gathers tools that intelligently analyze and clean up problem areas. Once you're there, find the Reflections area and click Apply. Lightroom will scan the glasses and generate a targeted correction for the glare, aiming to keep sharp features like eyelashes and catch lights intact. After the initial pass, use the Amount slider to fine-tune the result. At 100, you'll get the maximum reflection removal, which can be great for strong glare. At 0, you're viewing your original image with no change. If you drag it to 100, you're not editing the photo. You're previewing the reflection layer by itself for reference. That preview helps you understand what Lightroom is targeting so you can judge whether you're removing too much or too little. A common workflow is to start near 100 to see the full effect, then dial back until skin texture, iris detail, and natural catch lights look right. Next, choose a quality setting: Preview, Standard, or Best. Preview is fastest and perfect for testing settings on slower machines or when you're iterating. Standard strikes a good balance for most images. Best takes longer, but it preserves fine detail better and is ideal before you finalize or export. If you notice slight smearing around lashes or frames, try rerunning the adjustment at a higher quality setting. Finish by adjusting other edits as needed. Subtle tweaks to exposure, highlights, and contrast can bring the eyes to life after glare removal. Be gentle with sharpening and texture around the eyes to avoid emphasizing any residual artifacts, and consider a touch of noise reduction if the area looks grainy. Use the # key to compare before and after, and aim for a natural result that matches the rest of the portrait. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly tame reflections in glasses while keeping your subject's eyes crisp and expressive.